Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 good practices you should have with your TV. The precautions may be useful for those who have just bought a new model or have an older device. Some simple care of your TV can make the electronic last much longer. How the TV is installed, how you clean your screen, and even the position of the TV within the living room and bedroom can all contribute to it having a long life, or not. In the case of smart TVs, it is important to keep your operating system and applications always up to date. Let's start. A TV, whether smart or not, needs specific products indicated for cleaning the screen and other surfaces. Using alcohol gel or detergent can stain the device and even damage it. The first alternative among the basic hygiene care with television is to use a dry microfiber cloth to remove dust and even marks on the screen. If the dirt does not come off, it is best to wet the microfiber cloth and wring it until it becomes damp. Wipe all surfaces again, but avoid the screen. For the screens, the ideal is to look for specific cleaning products, which are sold in retail stores. Known as screen cleaners, they are the options that promise not to ruin your TV and leave it brand new for use. This tip is specific to smart TVs. Smart TVs need constant updates to run properly. When the operating system or apps are not upgraded, they tend to slow down and hinder the user experience. In addition, updates usually bring security improvements to prevent possible intrusions and data theft of accounts from services like Netflix and YouTube. So always check to see if there are any new updates to be made. Usually, TVs notify you right on the home screen when the system or some app needs an upgrade. But if yours doesn't show this message, you can go into the App Store and check which apps are outdated and already have a new version to be downloaded. The process can be repeated every week, as new features are released constantly. The power filter is essential not only for the care of your TV, but also for other electronics in your home. This small gadget prevents appliances from damage when the power goes down or if there is a short circuit in the grid. It handles light spikes and prevents the current from damaging the TV. It is even possible to place it in the living room or bedroom with several appliances on. When it comes to choosing the best option to buy on the market, see how many lines you need in your house. Avoid buying a model with only one input, since there are other expensive electronics and even appliances that need a lot of care. Although the structure of TVs can withstand diverse environments, it is important to always keep them in a cool, well-ventilated place. Rooms with poor ventilation and lighting increase the chances of mold forming, which can damage or even ruin an important part of your TV. In addition, the humidity in a fully closed room, for example, can corrode the TV from the inside. An essential tip to avoid this kind of problem is to leave the TV in a place that does not get direct sunlight, but is not enclosed in an unventilated space. You can leave the set close to the window, but prefer to use a curtain to prevent the set from exposure to the sun. Although televisions come with automatic default settings, the factory suggestions are not always suitable for your home environment. Audio may come in low in your living room, and you may need to turn up the volume to a higher than normal decibel level. Using this high and constant frequency can damage the device over time. So, as soon as you buy your TV, check how the settings are and set them in the best way for your home. On the remote control itself, you can adjust some functions, as well as within the operating system of the television. This will vary from model to model. The picture contrast and screen effect should also be adjusted to your needs. Here ends our video on 5 precautions you should take with your TVs. We hope you find it useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.